Good afternoon and welcome to the press conference following the FAC trade.
What is important as a takeaway from today's meeting is that the ministers had a very, very clear position. I think when I entered this meeting, and I apologize for the rhetoric, I said if you want peace, you have to prepare for war. It's not that we want a war, but we need to prepare in order to give our commissioner the strongest possible negotiation position. And I think we managed to achieve that today. We do not want a trade war with the US. We want to avoid it. And we had, I think, many of us, and I want to thank the Commissioner for being very transparent in his negotiations with the US team, the clear impression that we was very, very close an agreement in principle. Unfortunately, it wasn't possible due to this presidential letter, but it is still our major vision that we should reach an agreement. But we also want to send the clear signal that it must be a fair deal for everybody, and if that's not possible to reach, then we will leave out no options, and we know very well that we have a toolbox with a lot of tools.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.